What's up, YouTube? Welcome to our investing lab. Today, I'm going to be talking about Tourist Style because it's Tourist Style Friday, man. If you like this little series I got going on right here, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button too, and also share the video too, because that's really helped me out, man. So today, Tourist Style going to be Walt Disney and At&t and Baidu. So without further ado, I get started, man. So the first one going to be Walt Disney. Walt Disney is like a entertainment company. They make like movie, and then like some of they make video game out of the movie too, and then like some of the movie the guy is like Avenger, and then they have like the Alani, and then they have like the Star Wars, and they have the Toy Story 3, and so on and stuff. But they have so many movies they make and stuff, and so many successful movie they got, and they got more coming out too. So I think that Disney gonna be a good a good like company to invest in, because they have like a very good balance sheet. Yeah, and they had a really low debt, and they have the PE I think is around like the PE is around like 14, so they have really low PE and stuff. So which means like the private world, like they were probably like value less than what the average, what the stuff they in was and worth and stuff. So they got more stuff to grow in and stuff, and more way for it to get more. And also like Disney, they also like they offer like dividend too. So if you invest into them, probably might get paid dividend. And Disney, they've been going up. They've been going on like they've been going up because like they're having like a new streaming service coming out. Like it's just like Netflix. It's just like Netflix, and it's gonna like make you for to be able to and watch movie there on there too. And that's why like they've been getting some good news about that and stuff. They've been making the stocks to go up too. So like right now they probably like they drop down like a 2 or 3% and stuff, but they probably might go back up again and stuff. So if right now if you invest into them, my probably might just stack my worth like a lot of money in the future and stuff. But I'm just saying this, if you want to know more about them, just go do your own research on them and stuff. And I'm pretty sure like everybody know about them and stuff. It's easy for you to know about the company, for you to know what they're doing and stuff, like the business more. So that's all and stuff. And the second one is gonna be AT&T. AT&T, it's just like Walt Disney. It's just like Walt Disney, but it's like they do like different stuff. Like they do like telecom, like phone service, like they into like the 3 and the 5G and the 4G and stuff. And so they're into that and stuff. And they also make movie too. They're making like the Pokemon, and then they're making like they may also make Game of Thrones, and so they make like so many movie too. Like they make so many movie, and also like I think they got like one of the best internet service out there too. Like they're better than T-Mobile, than they're better than Spring and all the other little services. Then like for me, I have like Cricket, and they own Cricket, and I used to have a Spring. I have a story. I have they used to have this has Spring, and Spring is like very sucks and stuff. And most of my friends there, they have like T-Mobile too, and some places when they go there they don't have no service. And me, I have like Cricket, and I be having service and stuff, and I still be using my phone. That's why I recommend it. And right now like like they really are they really like really low, like they're really low right now and stuff, like they're really low and stuff. It's like they have like 11% on the PE ratio and stuff. So like they have really, and they have like they pay like 7% of dividend here. So like that's like free money right there and stuff, just coming to you just for investing to them. And the company is like really like it's like really value like really low and stuff. And they've been trying to go up. They've been going up too. Like they're not all the way up, but like it's a company when you invest into them for the long run, like they've been here for a long time. So they don't think into it like to just disappear like that, and don't be available no more. Like people always gonna be using it. Like me, I'm a big customer at AT&T. I have like the AT&T like the AT&T like Wi-Fi and stuff, and I also use like Cricket too. And I really love the Wi-Fi. Like it's very fast. It fast. I think it's better than like and it's better than like than the Affinity Wi-Fi and stuff. Yeah, they're better than that. And I still had Affinity too, and like they used to charge me so much money. What I like about AT&T, like they just set like a minimum price, and that's all you're gonna pay and stuff. Yeah, but I think AT&T is like a good company you can invest into there and stuff. And they do so many stuff. Like they just bought like they just bought like Warner Media and stuff. And Warner Media they do so many stuff too. They have like basketball like TV platform and stuff. And there's just so many stuff they do. Like you all you need to do is just go do your own research and stuff. Go do your own research and know like what you're doing. Don't take it for my voice and stuff. Just start and just doing just for entertainment purposes and stuff. So you don't take it as a financial advice and stuff. So just go do your own research on them. But I think like AT&T is somewhat a good company too. Like you can invest into them and you can be getting paid like a dividend. I know a lot of people that invest into AT&T and stuff just for the dividend and stuff and for the share appreciation too. Yeah. But the next one is gonna be Baidu. Baidu is like a Chinese like platform and stuff. I would say like Asia like platform. They just also they just like Google. They call it like Google or China. Like they have like their own the Baidu like search button and stuff, and they have like the Baidu map, and they have Baidu weather, and they have the Baidu assistant too. They have like so many stuff. They just like Google, and they make so many stuff. They just based on like on search and stuff, and then like some other way they make money is by selling advertisement and stuff. Selling like the some way Google do like sell like advertisement on like the search and stuff. That's the some way they make money too. And Baidu right now they on a value and stuff. I think the value like around like right now the value is like around like 200 something like that, and then right now they are like one something right now. Right now they are like 114. Right now they are 114. So if you buy Baidu and stuff like in a couple of years and stuff, you probably might make your money back and stuff. So and they ready at a good ready buying point right now. Buying point right now when you buy it, like you might get your money back. And why they've been going down is that because of the China and America trade war and stuff. That's why they've been going down. But I think all that stuff is just a bunch of noise and stuff. And all the nobody's time like it just full of noise, and stock might go down and probably eventually going up. So if you invest into this, and this company I'm talking about, like in a long time, you might make your money back and stuff. As me, I'm a long time investor, so I invest for the long time. So I wanna anytime I invest into any of this company right here, like I hold them for the long run. And as to know, like I own like two share of Baidu and stuff, and I own two share of Baidu, and I think they're gonna be like some good company in the future and stuff too. And they also invest into one of my favorite companies too, like Ichi, like it IQ. It's like a Netflix or China too. Like they invest into them too. So like I own both platforms too. So I think they're gonna be like some good powerful company together too. And I think I'm gonna make a lot of money from them and stuff too. So yeah, that's all for the video for today and stuff. I hope you liked the video. I know I did not go all the way deep into that and stuff, but it's more research you can do about then. You can do about then. And most of the company I call right here, like they're like a really good, they're like a really good like company you can invest into. And the other stuff I did not say too, like Baidu, they pay out like a dividend too. They pay like 4% dividend, like a dividend out too. So yeah, so all the company I recommend is like a good dividend company. Like you invest into them, and you can be getting paid like dividend like every month and stuff, or every quarter, or every time they pay out like whatever time they pay out like dividend, you're gonna be able to receive like a dividend and stuff, and also like a share appreciation too. So that's all for today. I hope you like the video, man. And if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, man. Peace out.